Good morning, and welcome to the LawGuide Nuggets Show, giving you bite-sized information about the law that's easy to consume and easy to use. My name is John. I'm a lawyer in private practice in Singapore, and I've been working for the past 13 years. I'd like to talk to you and give you some information over the next few minutes. Today we're talking about medical reports, psychiatric reports. How can they help you, and how are they relevant in a criminal case? For example, if you're being investigated for a criminal offence or are facing a criminal charge in court, sometimes it's useful to have a medical report or a psychiatric report, a report that talks about your medical condition that you're suffering, or specifically your psychiatric condition that you may be suffering from. Why is this important? This is useful for the authorities and also for the court to know what made you or what may have caused you to act in a certain way. For example, do you suffer from a medical condition or psychiatric condition or illness that makes you more vulnerable to acting impulsively? You're difficult to control your emotions, you're not thinking clearly. That's important for the authorities to know, and also for the investigators to know if you haven't been charged yet. So that's why a medical report and a psychiatric report can be useful in your case. In specific details, sometimes people may suffer from a personality disorder that makes them impulsive or that makes them act erratically. That's something that is worth telling to the authorities, to explain, this is why I acted so unusually. I didn't know quite so well what I was doing at the time. It's also important for the court to know this, because the type of sentence and the amount of the sentence and punishment that the court imposes should also take this into account. For example, if you are someone that has committed the offence because your medical condition, your psychiatric condition has caused or contributed to you acting in a certain way, which led to the offence being committed, then this is something that the court should understand in imposing the sentence, because it's possible then that you need not and you should not be punished quite so hard or in the same way that someone without the condition should be punished. So I hope that has been helpful for you this morning. We'll talk more about psychiatric reports, medical reports, and mitigation pleas in our next episode. Bye-bye.